Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about reasons why you should not buy the Beats Studio 3 headphones. The first reason is ear fatigue. When you're wearing these for a long time, it can be quite painful and tire your ears. They're quite heavy as well, they're quite a tight grip on your head. So for long use, they're not very good because they do hurt after a while, which is not good. And when you're paying around $300 or pounds for these, you don't really want to be having tiredness for your ears when you wear them for a long time, because if you're going to spend that much on headphones, then you're obviously going to use them a lot. The next point is the noise cancelling. With these headphones, you can switch the noise cancelling on or off, which is good because some other headphones don't do that. But the noise cancelling isn't very good quality. For example, it's good for quiet noises, like if you're just in a car and it gets rid of the motorway noise. But for louder noises, it's not very good, like conversations and things, when the competitors' headphones do have a lot better noise cancelling. The next point is that they're not very durable. The buttons just feel really cheap and not nice. And there's a scratch there, which I do not know how it happened. It just did, because they're not very durable. The plastic on them is quite cheap, and it's easy to scratch. And yeah, the buttons aren't very nice. So yeah, those are the reasons why I think you should not buy the Beats Studio 3. I've had them for quite a while now, about a year or two, and overall it's mainly been positive, but there are some reasons why you choose this. One's why Sony or Bose, especially because they're similar price point and you're getting better quality headphones. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you're new, like and comment and share. Bye.